Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm editing another video. This one's about part 2, about why you have knee pain. And I have a funny word for it, but I think it makes sense, and in a little bit you'll see why with all the shots that I just did in the gym. Now, one of the reasons why your knee is painful is, again, because it's not moving correctly when you're doing your activities or in sport. I like to call them the knee pain wobbles. Do we have that in the shot? Alright, perfect. Knee pain wobbles is when your knee wobbles side to side when you're doing your activities during sport. So let's go out to the gym and check out and see exactly what I mean. Okay, so a knee pain wobble, that's exactly what that looks like right there. The knees often will cave inwards towards the middle, and this will make the knee not very happy if you do this repetitively over time. Now, sometimes they mishappen on one side, so you may see it on one knee versus the other. And you could see that you can only really see this when you're facing yourself from the front. So I want you to see that in this shot. You could see it in the front, you could see it moving perfectly, but from the side you really can't tell if your knee is wobbling side to side. So if you're checking yourself in the gym or doing an activity that you love, you have to check it from the front so you know if the knee wobbles are happening to you. Now in lunges, you could see the knee diving inwards a lot. Now this is very common to see in lunges with people that are untrained. You see the knee dive in and your knee is not going to be very happy. Now this is what it looks like and what it should look like. The knee tracks over your toes. Now the knee wobbles could also happen at the leg press, as you could see here. Now you see my left knee dive inwards. And again, it's just gonna not have your knee be very happy if you do this repetitively over time or if you're using heavy weight on the leg press. In a little bit, we'll see a freeze frame of my left knee right here. Right there, you see that misangled at the knee. The knee's not gonna be very happy because it doesn't really move that way, and it shouldn't under heavy weight. Another thing that you could commonly see on the rower, your knees may dive in as well. So again, you really want to avoid that. Again, that's going to make sure that the knee is not going to be at excess stress on the inside of the knee and on the outside of the knee. And in addition, it's going to have the kneecap track properly. So as you can see here, this is a better way to do it. And I prefer that because of my hips. So in review, this is the best way to have your knees come down as you squat. Make sure it tracks over your toes, and you see that it's not wobbling from inwards to outwards. So definitely make sure you're not doing this at the gym or when you're working out, and your knees will be very happy. Thanks for watching.